the occasion of World Students Day, I congratulate all our school students. You students are the backbone and pillars of our country. School is the place where you acquire all your good qualities, habits, and good mannerisms. And we teachers are grooming and molding you. And you students, the present SHS students, are so fortunate to get all the modern facilities given by our school. And you have to use these facilities and set a good foundation to become an achiever, to accomplish your task. Our sincere prayers are always with you. On behalf of Biology Department, I once again extend our sincere congratulations and best wishes for your bright future. May God bless you all. Thank you.
On the day of 15th October, the International Students' Day, to commemorate the birthday of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, let us have a small tribute. Let me present you a small poem. A bud bloomed in Rameswaram in the form of baby Abdul Kalam. A bud bloomed in Rameswaram in the form of a baby Abdul Kalam. In the streets of his natives, he became a paper boy. In the streets of his natives, he became a paper boy. But with a spark of ignited mind, he became the gem of his teachers. But with a spark of ignited mind, he became the gem of his teachers. With wings of fire mounted up in the sky. With the wings of fire, he mounted up in the sky to shine like a star in the world. To shine like a star in the world. Now the nations bow and we Indians revere. Now the nations bow and we Indians revere. Thus we celebrate October 15th, a day of reverence from the land of the sages. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.
The World Students' Day, I would like to say that Dr. Kalam's life is full of lessons to be learned by which we can transform our life from limestone to gemstone. I like the most his visionary leadership, his humble approach, and love for the students. I remember his quote in which he says, I am not handsome guy, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help. So I would like to say that the beauty lies in the heart, not in the face. Thank you very much.
I wish you a very happy World Students' Day. On this special occasion, I want to say that you all are very special to us and you are the identity of we all teachers. Work hard, never be stressed, never be depressed. Talk to us, we are just like your friends. Your success is our success and the whole world's future lies in our classrooms. And at last, stay at home, stay safe. God bless you. Thank you.